Welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. Where's my dad?
Yo guys, welcome to the video, welcome to my channel guys. It's been a while. Look at this abandoned project guys. Oh man, guys, I have traversed a wasteland guys. I battled many monsters and demons to reach, after many moons, the cave where the final boss monster lives. I'm going to fight this beast until glory or death. Oh guys, I've been away. I've been too busy. Honestly, I didn't feel it. This Caddy man, it gave me so much problems. But now I have newfound energy. I've been cooped up, too busy. Now it's time to continue this guy, finish it. So yeah guys, welcome. Hope you missed me. Honestly, I hope you worked on your project and didn't abandon it like me. And yeah guys, let's just jump into it.
Guys, some of you may be new. I'm going to first do a quick little tour around the car, what I did and what's changed since last time, because I did do some very small things. So engine is still the same, it's completely ready. This guy runs, no problems, no malfunctions, nothing, everything is okay. So I painted the wiper arms. So I have arrow blades. I welded a set of, I think, Polo wiper arms to the original ones. Looks cool. I did buy new rotors and pads. I did paint them. I have a quick clip of that, but nothing special. These guys, so still didn't mount them. I did take out the stupid alarm. That thing gave me so much problems guys. So now it's just full original. Key is perfect. I bought a new alley special. I modified it. I even have the original spare key and the code to program, so that's perfect. Wiring is still a mess. Dashboard is still not in here. I want to do I want to take the window out before paint, and this window has some scratches and some weird stuff going on. So I have a trick I'm going to try, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be polishing this window, and it's going to be like $5. It's super cheap stuff, so I will show you guys. Rust, I still have some rust to fix over here and there. I do need to prep for paint and you know all that stuff. So there's a lot to do, and I want to finish it guys because I want to drive it. It's so cool. I have 3 sets of wheels, super awesome wheels. I have some coilovers. I'm going to lower the back, but all that is after the homologation, the government check, just like the Volvo, the last video. Yeah guys, it's going to be sweet. Let's go. guys. What a nice surprise. Oh, well, I'm gonna have to fix it, so let's go.
Nobody's ordered one yet. I believe it was called on channel 1. Okay, we have 482 coming out there for the hit and run. You might wait for him. Will do.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe!